just as a mark for this occasion, I would like to officially release the calendar of the NPP for this year. It's a small, I should say, kind of dedicated to our leader, late Sangma, because it is also his 75th birth anniversary. So therefore, it's my honor to release this calendar. This will be sent to all of you. This has got pictures of Mr. Sangma in different occasions, and so I officially would like to release this calendar.
Hadin balakut no kasamoy trekam jong kinongkit kam ka National People Party ki bakanthop nadu National President, National General Secretary, but Treasurer, but kiway ki khot nongkit kam ka party menta kasngi ka khat phra tarik ukalla lengkot ar lapan thamai no ikinongkit kam ka party hakaba nakaliang returning officer upalapanya yake election nakabenta banjet National President but National General Secretary wa abhi keshob habakran shikilat pathai khubor layathu bayaka jingthmu ban panthamai ikinongkit kam ka party ki kanthop nadu National President, National General Secretary but Treasurer Henry Namar Bomdan ki bathap kerteng banya khun nakabenta ka kam President but General Secretary kumtai ka kam kum National President Lajit Biang Conrad Sangma bani ka kerdan General Secretary Lajit Biang Thomas Sangma ban nakabenta ka kam Treasurer Krampatla banjin Hagani kaju kasngi nakaliang National President jong ka party Conrad Sangma ulap lai pai baru ya ka almanak jong ka party kabadai jong usnam ar.
Kashyap, I am the National Party spokesperson, and I was also the returning officer for today's election for the President of National People's Party as well as other organizational positions. There were two categories of decisions. In fact, one was based on activities which need to be under our constitution considered by the annual general body meeting, and 6 major decisions were passed which were mostly procedural. Some had to do with the amendment to the constitution of some clarifications and procedural matters. The previous year's accounts were passed. Members who have recently been elected as delegates were approved. Members who the general body has the power to co-opt, their list was also approved. This was broadly what was done in the administrative and procedural part of the meeting today, presided upon by the President, Honorable Shri Conrad Sangma. The second half of the meeting was regarding the organizational elections, which were presided upon by myself as the returning officer. There were 3 positions for which elections are held as per our constitution, that is called together as organizational elections. For the position of the National Treasurer, for the position of the National General Secretary organization, and for the position of National President. We did not receive any nomination for the position of National Treasurer. We received valid nomination for the position of National General Secretary organization and the National President. There were only 1 name for each of the positions respectively for which we received valid nominations. By 16th of January, the candidates had the option to withdraw their candidature. They did not do so, and so today we were faced with 1 candidate on each of the 2 positions, that is of the President and the National General Secretary position. And it was my pleasant duty to declare them elected unopposed.